Hey guys, have you ever wished for a tool that makes lead generation and business analysis easy? Dreams do come true. If you're like most marketers or sales managers juggling multiple clients and data, you understand the struggle of managing seamless data extraction. Today, we will discuss in depth the Google Maps Scraper Lifetime Deal, which is a game changer in the data extraction world. No matter how good you are at business or how new you are, you will want to take advantage of this deal. Let's work together to figure out how the Google Maps Scraper works. What is Google Maps Scraper? Suppose you had a digital assistant who handled all your data scraping problems. It's like having your personal data miner to keep track of all business contacts. Google Maps Scraper allows exporting local business contacts from Google Maps into a CSV/XLSX/Parquet/JSON file via Outscraper platform. It sends reminders and even syncs with your favorite calendars. No more missing leads or double plans. It's the current way for busy people like us to get things done. Trust me, once you try Google Maps Scraper, you'll wonder how you got along without it. Don't miss out. Exclusive lifetime deal prices on AppSumo await. Regular official pricing is over $2,160, but at AppSumo, you can get this for only $119. This is a one-time single payment. Now, let's have a look at all the features that you are going to get with this deal. License Tier 1. Tier 1 is a one-time purchase of $119, originally valued at $2,160. It is suitable for extracting up to 5,000 businesses per month and has access to various filters. 5,000 businesses, places, from Google Maps/month. 5,000 emails and social profiles/month. Filters, rating, status, phones, emails, websites, and others. Ability to remove duplicates from the same task. Ability to verify phones and get their type, fixed line/mobile. Easy select categories and locations, no need to make search queries by yourself. CSV/XLSX/Parquet/JSON results format. Ability to schedule tasks. Cloud execution, keeps your IP safe. API access for developers. For most important features that make Google Maps Scraper special. Automated data extraction, say goodbye to manual data scraping. Let Google Maps Scraper do it for you. Advanced filtering, scrape businesses by their rating, status, and postal codes for a more targeted dataset. Duplicate removal, ensures you get only unique data even for many queries. Cloud execution, no installation is required, and all the work is handled in the cloud, keeping your IP safe. People who can get benefit from Google Maps Scraper. Marketers, sales managers, marketing agencies, lead generators, small business owners, competitor analysts, review monitors. Grab a 10% extra deal from AppSumo. Looking at the lifetime deal on AppSumo? Great news is coming your way. Extra 10% off alert. Yep, you're not dreaming. On top of that sweet $119 deal, there's a way to snag an extra 10% off. How to grab this deal? Visit AppSumo's Google Maps Scraper Lifetime Deal offer. Find out about a cheap pop-up bar. Type in an active email address. Continually use the same email address. Look in your email to find the 10% off promotion. So, why wait? Jump in and let those savings roll. Reviews that Google Maps Scraper Lifetime Deal on AppSumo get. Are you hesitating? Don't miss this lifetime deal. Secure it now before it's too late. Are you ready to enhance your customer interactions with Google Maps Scraper? Explore the description, check out the features, and grab that lifetime deal before it's gone. If you found this review helpful and want more tech tutorials, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.